Some describe basic materials like screw and the back lock screw, and then patch panel, and then switch. Push. Let's begin. First, the screw. First is the lock is the left side. Another one side. And then patch panel. Other side. Shoes protected. Second, the switch for the lower of the patch panel. Again, first, lock switch. And the other side. Double switch first. Right. Okay, other side. The last one is the power cord for the switch. At the back. Again, thank you for watching.